Hello, I'm KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you to download FoxNews app.
But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to Merch Store. We create cool and original designs for sport fans. We sell shirts, pillows, stickers, and other cool stuff. They can also be the perfect gift for kids, family, or friends who love sports. You can find the link to our store on top of our comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to a video.
Like I said, I'll show you to download FoxNews app. We're gonna start by opening up your Apple Store on your device. Make sure to tap on that. Then you're gonna wrap on this main screen right here. As we wrap on this main screen right here, look on the Apple where it says like Apple Store. Make sure to tap on where it says the search icon right there. Tap that. Then you're gonna wrap on this main screen right here, and make sure you tap where it says like Fox News. Make sure you tap on that. Then make sure it looks like this, Fox News like that, where it says like live break. And make sure to tap on the right where you see like the cloud icon. Tap that. Then you're gonna be downloading like that. As you see, download. And that's how you download Fox News app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find them in my video description. And thank you for watching.